just 2 hours into their ascent, the weather took a turn for the worse. Heavy snowfall coupled with strong winds made visibility almost impossible, and temperatures plummeted far below zero. With conditions deteriorating rapidly, the group decided to make camp at an elevation of 2,300 feet. They pitched their tent on a small rise overlooking a valley, believing it to be a safe location away from the strong winds that threatened to bury them in snow. However, what they failed to realize was that the spot was situated above a dangerous avalanche zone. As night fell, the wind grew louder, howling through the barren landscape like a hungry beast, ready to devour anything in its path. Inside the tent, the skiers huddled together, trying to find some comfort in numbers. They shared stories, sang songs, and joked to keep their spirits high, all the while aware of the danger that lurked just outside their shelter.